So guys, today we're going to go
Nature reserve?
nature reserve where we do lots of walking and we get to see 3 cenotes and swim in it. So we're going to wear our togs. Angus and Odin are coming with us.
Maybe Dion?
Dion, really? You sure? You sure?
Come on.
Maybe.
Okay, maybe. What about Dalen?
Don't
No,
know.
they've gone away.
Oh yeah, true. So we just got the Uber to get to
Progreso.
Progress. Aren't they going to pick us up?
No,
How far away is it?
half an hour.
Oh my god. Okay.
I'll go to the city.
Okay, so it's 30-minute Uber drive. It takes forever. It feels like 2 hours. So, but we might see some cool stuff on the way, and I'll see you guys at the
Nature reserve.
Nature reserve.
This is cool.
Oh, stick! Look, we've got professional masks.
Right? So safe.
Yeah, no, like. Oh, I saw fish.
Did you?
There's
Oh,
fish.
that's good. Then we're good. You're done. We can go home. So we came here for.
There's a fish there, no?
That's it.
Come on, Kim.
Aquí le damos a la biblioteca. Okay. Oh, okay.
Can we just go on our own?
I reckon that's what we do.
There's no rope. The rope was fun.
I like to move it.
The rope was so much more fun.
I like to move.
Wait,
It's
what?
only
Oh my gosh! My face is blowing up.
I need too much air, crew. How?
Odin, your poor face.
Come
Yeah.
in.
Yes, of course. That's a great idea.
Right,
Now we know what to
up
expect.
again.
Hey,
Look at me.
Odin, Odin, do this with your face.
I got so many mosquito bites. And there's one near your face.
They like his face, don't they?
Try and put your head underwater.
I can't.
Just plug your nose and go under.
Lovely, clean water.
Oh my gosh, that's super yellow. Oh my. Ow! I stepped on that rock.
Okay, how is it? Up to your waist, is it?
And there's one near your face. Why always there? Oh my gosh, that's super yellow. Ow! I stepped on that rock.
Okay, how is it? Up to your waist, is it? It's the kids cenote. Oh, can you?
Just try it out.
Oh, it's too small. Look, can you read the sign?
Childproof.
Yeah, but what do you think it says? Can you read it out in Spanish? En español, por favor.
Childproof one.
No, in Spanish.
There's only 3, so once you're done this one, that's the other one, and then that's it. Like,
Okay. So you reckon? What do you reckon it says?
Childproof.
yeah, right.
I reckon it's something like
The bottom one says only for kids.
Yep.
The other says, I don't know what it says at the top.
chapoteadero.
Supposed to have math.
Maybe like kids need to be chaperoned.
Childproof.
Don't know. Oh, is it freezing cold? Is it? Oh man. Oh, are ya?
Do you want a life jacket or are you alright? But you know why a life jacket?
Can I get one?
Do you want?
No, I meant to him.
No.
Okay. Here we go, guys. Look at this water. I mean, this water is super clear, and there's fish in here. Let's have a look. So we've got some fish. Lovely. Okay, yeah, we're gonna probably scare the fish when we get in, but it's all cool. Selena, what is the temperature?
It's cool, but it's nice.
Okay, it's nice. It's a nice cool. There's fish over here. Where are we? Had him floating around.
When you get to your waist is weather.
Yeah, I reckon it's just a dive in sort of experience, these guys. Yeah, 2.4, yeah. It's over your head, you won't be able to touch the bottom. No, that's why the rope exists. Alright, in you go, lads. Oh, crew, stop it.
Ready to go? Remember how they work? They just trust them.
Oh, just get in, crew. Oh, the boys are going. It's freezing. Selena's not worried. Yeah. Ooh, nice little termite mound above your head. You don't want to bump your head on that. Yeah, Aiden's not scared. Yeah, guys, this water is super clear, and you can see the fish.
Nice job. Visibility.
I'm gonna jump in.
It's freezing. Freezing. Is it really cold?
Go, dig up.
Yeah, isn't it? Not easy. You can't do it. You can't do your hands. Yeah, tuck your knees up. Tuck your knees up. Yeah. What sort of fish did you see, Owen? Orange fish.
Yeah, I got one today.
Orange fish. So that the pescado. There's no rope on this one, boys. No, it's a shame. Yeah, right. Didn't work anyway. Okay. Watch out. Crew's going to do his parkour. Here he goes. Yeah, Selena, you're in the road. Okay, now he's sussing it out. Yep. No, well, that was the parkour. Yeah, well, I think so. Okay.
Oh, this is scary.
Was that it? Nice job. All right, up you go then. Off you go. I don't know. Are you doing it, crew, or not?
Bomb it up. Is that a big splash? Are you filming?
I am.
Yeah, what was that? I know it feels good.
And get Odin. You can also wait
You know, I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna do it. I don't see. Oh, I don't know. Wait, I'm still in the scene. I don't know. Wait, there we go.
What are you doing?
Wait, I'm gonna do it for legs.
Okay.
Wait, don't push me. No pushing. It's actually. Literally, that's like cheap. No, I know. It's really shallow. Yeah, I know.
Do you want to try going into that way? That way?
What are you counting, Odin? Bugs. Your shell path. You're right.
Outside in the jungle.
Yeah, that's true.
What do you expect?
Yep.
You're not going to get a jungle experience with animals without actually being in the jungle. Unless you go to the zoo, and then they're okay.
Or a virtual reality
Yeah.
jungle.
I mean, that's...
You mean VR?
Yeah, yes, I mean VR. 'Cause that's what VR is short for, buddy. Virtual reality.
Wow, he's stripping mosquitoes.
Yeah, they're so...
Yeah, they're hanging out, aren't
That's definitely the... When you do your review.
they? Yeah, absolutely. Oh man,
Why
bring
do
it.
they always go to the lake?
Because you can't see them, then they got you.
Right, one just got me on my arm. So guys, today we just did the nature reserve with four what are they called?
Cenotes.
Cenotes, that's it. We're about to have lunch with the gang. Dion, Angus, and Odin. So, yep, I'm hungry as I'm actually really starving. Everyone else is. Today was a big day. I really recommend it. It was really nice. The water was really refreshing. There's fish in the water that eat your dead skin, and that's for free. So, yeah, it's a 2-in-1, you see? It's good. So, I reckon you guys should come here. It's really fun. Come with your mates. It's even more funner. So, I got some mates to come, and I'll see you guys soon.